bá jẹ́ pé bá ṣe ń kọ́mẹ́ǹtì yìí wọ́n ní bá ṣe ń ṣe láyé là ń ṣe lọ́run tó bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ́run Ọlọ́run àkáńsù ọ̀run o. I'm not joking. For free, everybody buy lọ́run. Do you know when we get to heaven, the only thing we do in heaven is hallelujah. Nigerian person, especially Yoruba, they will complain. Wọ́n lọ kọ hallelujah lára kọ́ máa bọ̀ lọ́sàn-án. Ó sú mi o. Hallelujah sú mi o. Ṣèpẹ́ náà ló pe ara ẹ̀ kò lè lé dọ́bẹ̀ kó máa bí ẹ̀ fún ara ẹ̀. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Mo kọ láàárọ̀, mo kọ lọ́sàn-án, mo tún kọ lálẹ́. Ẹ wọ sú mi o. Now the problem is, you know, they will start stealing white garments. The only thing we wear in heaven is white garments. Some people will be lazy, they won't be able to wash. Some, especially my tribe. Èèyàn mi àwa fọ aṣọ ẹ̀ síta. Kó tó dé láti hallelujah challenge, wọ́n ti kó. Àwa lọ fẹ́ jọ́sùn Jésù. Jesus, somebody stole my clothes. Jesus, who was there? And Elder Peter. Oh yeah, go and call Elder Peter. Elder Peter would not say, Jesus, you ask Elder Peter. Elder Peter, what happened? Elder Peter, I didn't notice the boy. I saw. Imagine Yoruba woman. You're going to say witness and say, I didn't notice, but I saw. The next thing you get, you will not notice it. You that deny Jesus 3 times, say that we no go deny. Allah said you. As the person is shouting on Elder Peter, Elder Moses will be passed. Oh, le ma pariwo lórí ẹ̀dá. Hey, mi ò dá ti yín sí o. Ẹ mọ̀ pé bínú yín ò dá. O lè ṣe délé rẹ̀ rí ẹ ṣọ́ra yín o. Mi ò sọ̀rọ̀ sí Yoruba people in heaven. They would drag everybody to the extent that one woman would just be taking her bath. Akọ rí shadow tó kọjá ni. Akọ lọ bá Jésù. Somebody was peeping. Say who? I suspect Elder David. Somebody that can sleep with Bathsheba. Who can you do? I was at the ẹ̀kọ́ yàrá mi sí bò mí. Jesus will be tired of it and Jesus will not call hell. Hello devil. Hello devil. Call me back, Jesus. I'm busy. Some Nigerians are rioting. He will not come back and say, what happened? They are rioting. They cannot be devil for more than 8 years. Who is their leader? Give them the right. The leader is not here. They put it on phone. Jesus will just shout, macaroni, fast, let the devil rule. How many of you remember the brand of the TV, the first TV your father bought when you were growing up? The first TV your father bought when you were growing up? Sanyo, Toshiba, Sharp, Panasonic, Mitsubishi, President. Ladies and gentlemen, the first TV my father bought when we were growing up was Toshiba. And he brought the TV home around 7:30. We sat in the living room to watch the TV. That was when NEPA brought half current. And me let you TV like you have to half current. One man can use by SRC so well. Kaki, you walk away. Then your father will now go and buy stabilizer, 1,500 watts. How many of you remember those days that you used to rent video cassettes? No, it's video cassette, not DVD, not VCD. ML on video cassette. Then you don't have a rewinder, you buy the rubber one. Then you put it, you do over fast, you are jadi ta. But what if you sell on the one level, but forward, why rewind the sound? What have you mean by that? Anybody enter next over check this. How many of you remember those cassette days? The only way you rewind your cassette is your biro. Eleganza biro. How many of you remember? Then you turn it like this. You rewind it, you rewind it, you rewind it. The problem of the cassette is once you start playing the cassette, what do you do? I'm gonna take the mama. I'm gonna take the mama. What to go down to go down? Potter. And what for that? Poverty. Please run poverty in your life. Ladies and gentlemen, how many of you remember when you were growing up? Your father had a special seat in the living room. That nobody will sit on your father's chair. How many of you know that your father has this special plate, special spoon, special cup? Cup no, there's a cup of video. Stainless cup, cup of 555, Sinara. No, your father has that kind of cup. Then after that one look up with that deal, look up, I'm going down with that. How many of you remember then? If your father drives a car and is coming home from the horn, you can tell your dad's car. Out of 1 million cars on the street, your father will just come, people, daddy today.